Dude, where did I leave that pizza?
Oh, there it is. I'll take this one. This is good. Old soggy pizza is a thing of the past with this recipe. I call them slices. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pretend that this is a whole pizza. And then we're just gonna start slicing it. Pizza's a little bit dry and crusty from sitting out a few days. It's a little bit chewy too, but it'll do. We're gonna use some fancy tomato basil pasta sauce. What I really like about this recipe is that you can multiply the amount of pizza that you have. By just taking one slice of pizza and cutting it up into multiple slices, you now have more pizza. To cover up the stale aftertaste from sitting out for a couple days, I'm just gonna cover it with some cheese and then use our fancy pasta sauce. I mean, it'll taste just like pizza sauce, I think. Big Betty's gonna babysit the pizza tonight. Give me 8 minutes, Big Betty. Taste test. So good. Tastes like 3-day-old pizza on a banana. I'll get rid of the 3-day-old moldy smell. I'm gonna add some peppers. This will also help with the moldy taste. Let's go ahead and give this back to Betty for about 2 more minutes. Done. So that's how you turn this into something like this. Call them slices. And to make it a little bit healthier, just serve it with some lettuce boats. Just throw a piece of lettuce, throw it in the boat, bottoms up. Nice and moldy.